Creativity may feel like a luxury, something indulgent, the kind of thing that you fit into the occasional weekend or a stolen afternoon. That novel sitting in the drawer, the evening art class you keep skipping because you don't have time. Maybe it's the stereo you keep meaning to rewire, or the guitar that you never get out of its case. Maybe you've got into the habit of putting creativity on the sidelines. Something for another time in your life when there's less to do, fewer responsibilities, and more time to play. Well, I hate to break it to you, but the chances are that you're still going to turn another year older and you won't have got around to learning the piano or signing up for that dance class. So you're going to have to try another way. Making creativity a part of your daily life sounds like a daunting task, but the truth is it's possible to bring it into everything you do. From the way you eat to your commute to work, from the way you search the web to your habitual chats with your workmates. Every tiny detail of your daily life can be transformed if you think about it creatively. The secret is not to wait for some huge life-transforming event to come along and grant you the space and time to finally embark on that novel. The trick is to do it now, in tiny increments, in miniature moments, so that you begin to break up the rigidity with which you see the world. There are all sorts of fantastic books you can buy on the subject and a whole load of inspiring talks you can watch online, but I would start with something super simple, something you can do at home on a regular day with no props or permission needed. Turn off your screens. Even if only for half an hour, get a notebook and a pen and write a list of all the creative things you love to do. Some of them might be things you haven't done for a very long time, while others might be something you did yesterday. It doesn't matter. Just write them out. For me, that list contains things like baking bread, writing a poem, knitting a scarf, singing a song, taking myself to the theatre alone, going for a walk in a place I've never been before, buying a new recipe book and trying out a page at random, listening to an album from start to finish, making a snowman in winter and a sandcastle in summer. Write your list and then add 10 more things that you would love to do but haven't yet, like learn a new language, go on a mini break to a new city, sign up for an art class, write a long letter by hand to an old friend. Make it a list that delights you, one that feels like a treasure chest of creative possibilities. And then, quite simply, do something on the list. Do one thing before the end of the week. Just try it out. See how it feels. No screens, no need to do it brilliantly. Just take a little risk and live a more creative life. Just for a moment of your day, try it out and see what happens. And you know what? If you exercise the muscle of creative living, you might just find that your work transforms too. So go on, have a play. What have you got to lose?